my present and future, unbounded by time, unchanging forever and ever. Let every breath declare all your glory and power. Let every voice sing of your praises forever. From the mountains peak to the valleys low, from the ends of the earth, all creation sing hallelujah, hallelujah. Great is your love, as vast as the seas and the ocean. My heart in your hands, the same hands that crafted the heavens. The word at the start, you took the form of creation. Your mighty name, Jesus, your name is salvation. From the mountains peak to the valleys low, from the ends of the earth, all creation sing hallelujah, hallelujah. From the skies above to the depths below, every season and time, all creation sing hallelujah, hallelujah. With all I am and all I have, I sing to you for all you've done. With everything I lift my hallelujah. While I have breath, while I have life, I'll sing until your eyes meet mine. And even then I lift my hallelujah.
Alit, nung una, gusto lang kitang mami.
Yes.
Ngayon, gusto na kitang mami.
Apoy ba kayo? Kasi nagliliyap ang pagmamahal ko sa inyo. Pangalawa, hangin. Hangin ba kayo? Kasi ang lakas-lakas ng dating niyo sa akin. Pangatlo, tubig. Tubig ba kayo? Kasi mahal na ako sa pagmamahal niyo. Anong pangapat? Lupa. Lupa ba kayo? Kasi gusto ko mahimlay sa inyo. Lupa. Puno ba kayo? Kasi kayang matibay na sandigan ng buhay ko.
Makakaasa po kayo mga lolo at lola dito sa Anawin. Mahal na mahal po kayo ng buong Yesland family. So, yun po. Lagi po kayong nasa isip, puso namin. Marami pong nagmamahal sa inyo sa Yesland. Actually, yung lahat po na pumupunta dito, alam ko, sobrang dami pong pumupunta dito. At yung pagmamahal po yun, talagang takos puso sa kanila. Kaya po, sa panalangin, sa pagmamahal, kasama po namin lagi kayo. So, yun po.
Have a nice time together. Thank you, thank you. We will always remember.
sing high.